Hello everyone, my name is Komal Padole. I am from basically Nagpur. I have done my graduation on 2021 from RTMNU University. Then I was looking a job. Then I come across Evision service, an IT recruitment and consulting company. I joined this online full day internship under the guidance of its manager and administrator in this job internship. I got know about various topic like networking, troubleshooting, administrator, CCNA, cybersecurity, Linux. All about trainers are very excellent. Used to conduct mock interview, and trainers are very helpful. And in this internship, I got a real time job experience. I joined Evision in July 2023, and in 3 months I got a offer letter from WNS Global Service Private Limited at a 3 LPA package. So thank you so much, Evision. Thank you so much.